Hi, today we're going to do a quick overview of the 8680i wearable mini mobile computer. This device enables a standalone one-device answer for scanning and workflow interface needs that previously would have required both a wearable scanner and a mobile computer. Now this requires some key components and attributes that we've built into this device, including a Wi-Fi radio, a 2-button user interface, and a display. So just a quick example of how that would work. We'll show here. First instruction will be for the employee to scan their badge to log in. Scanning in, we get a confirmation. Next question is, are we going to be picking today? In this case, the answer is yes. It would provide instructions where to go, what to pick, quantities, and so on to fulfill those high-frequency tasks, again, with a single device, where previously two larger, bulkier devices requiring more acquisition and maintenance costs would have been required. So that's the 8680i. In addition, this device is tailorable to your application needs and requirements. This is an example of the device in use